Magandang umaga at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video na ito. Welcome po dito sa AMBO Avoy Mix Videos. Ngayon po may video tayo na bago. No? Ito po ay isang balita mula sa ANC 24/7. So, ang balitang ito ay ito po ay tungkol sa West Philippine Sea na bibigyan natin ng ating reaction at comment. So, inaasahan ko rin po sa inyo yan. So, i-play na po natin yung balita, no? Mukhang nag-joint na naman itong Philippines tayo, no, at ang US, no. Tingnan po natin ang kanilang joint patrol.
The Philippine Air Force and the United States Pacific Air Forces held joint bomber air patrols and air intercept training over the West Philippine Sea on Tuesday. 3 Philippine FA-50 lead-in trainer.
Wow! Stop natin dito, no? Yung jet fighter natin, ito po yung in-acquire natin sa South Korea, no, na yung FA-50, no, at nag-joint ito sa isang bomber ng US. So tingnan natin, no, play natin ulit.
Aircraft and 2 US B-1 bombers took part in the one-day exercise, which included flying over part of Bajo de Masinloc.
Stop natin ulit. So hindi ko lubusang maiisip na ayan, no, meron na tayong jet fighter na ganyan, no, at nakakabilib, no, rapid po yung ating pag-asenso pagdating sa military, no, mapa air defense sa kalupaan at saka sa sea, no, at ito po ay sa air, no, pinapakita nila, no, kasama ng US bomber at alam ko US bomber na matindi po yan.
Or Scarborough Shoal. This is the first time such drills were conducted over the disputed shoal since US President Donald Trump took office again. The shoal, which is within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, has been under China's control since 2012.
And they're going to fly within the INTA, and within that is Bajo de Masinloc, which is part of our territory. Definitely expected that there will be challenges. There might be aircraft, foreign aircraft, probably intercepting or flying near the flight, but they will definitely receive challenges also, especially if they're flying over our territory or near our territory. At the same time, there will be counter challenges as expected, but as for us, we are doing this training based on international rules-based order and based on protocol, so we will just continue on regardless of the action of other.
First, ano lang, no, stop natin, no, nakalagay PH US hold joint bomber air patrol, tapos may training over West Philippine Sea, no. Nilalagyan nila ng training, I don't know, kasi sa balita pag may training, part of exercise, pero ano siya, no, tawag dito yung actual, no, kung actual din may sumugod at ready sila. Tsaka isa pa nakakapagtaka, no, wala silang natanggap na any radio challenge mula sa Chinese, no. Parang umiiwas yung Chinese dito. At alam nila yung movement ng gagawin ng Philippines at saka US, na para bang may spy sa loob ng system natin, no. Nalalaman nila kaya sila umaalis. Gawin natin.
Foreign actors.
The People's Liberation Army Southern Theater Command also conducted a routine patrol in the area. In a statement, the Chinese military accused the Philippines of trying to undermine peace and stability in the South China Sea.
Wow! Tayo pa talaga ang inaakusahan, no? So, sila na nga itong nananakop. Napakakapal talaga ng mukha nitong mga Chinese Coast Guard na to, o yung gobyerno nila.
By participating in the joint patrols of an external country. PAF spokesperson Colonel Maria Consuelo Castillo said the 2 air forces did not receive radio challenges and have not sighted PLA aircraft during the drills. Castillo also denied that the exercise between the 2 allies has something to do with the tension in the West Philippine Sea with Chinese ships, saying that such trainings are conducted regularly. Meanwhile, the 3 PLA Navy vessels earlier monitored to have entered Philippine waters are heading out of the country's EEZ. As of Tuesday morning, the Chinese vessels were located 120 nautical miles south of Basilan. The armed forces...
Ito po, no, itong warship na ito, no, nakakapasok dun sa ating bakuran, no. So, nasa Basilan. So, Mindanao na ito, no. Tumaan sila doon. Dalawa po ito na binabantayan ng ating Coast Guard.
The Philippines started tracking the Chinese vessels on Saturday. One of the ships came from Bajo de Masinloc and proceeded east of Mindoro, where it was joined by 2 other PLA Navy vessels. The vessels were monitored 26 nautical miles southeast of Cuyo Island in Palawan on Sunday. The PLA Navy
Yan po, yan yung way na ginawa ng China.
ships passed through the Sulu Sea and exited through the Basilan Channel. Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent.
Grabe dumaan sila doon, no? Pumasok talaga sila ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas, sa Tubahata. Tapos umexit sila doon sa So, ano ibig sabihin nito? No? Talagang naghahamon ng away itong mga Chinese na to, no? Tapos tayo wala tayong ginagawa. Hanggang bantay na lang tayo. Dapat nakaka-capture yung mga ship na yan. No? Dumadaan sila ho dyan nang wala ho silang paalam. Hindi po sila nagpapaalam. Isang kabastusan po at unprofessional act po yung ginagawa ng Chinese ng mga Navy nila, no? Grabe. Yan kitang-kita pa yan, no? What's more, yung mga submarine nila, na hope so na detect natin yung mga ganyan.
Trinidad said the AFP kept a tight watch on the Chinese vessels as they passed through the Philippine archipelagic waters.
They were tracked by FF-17, PS-36, and 4 other Navy ships, 1 Philippine Navy aircraft, and 2 Philippine Air Force aircraft. This entailed the participation of Northern Luzon Command, Western Command, the Central Command, and Western Mindanao Command. Our capability to be able to track, to monitor, and to hand over to the succeeding operational commands is a capability that the AFP has already today.
Trinidad explained the PLA Navy vessels exercised archipelagic sea lanes passage, noting that their track is a generally accepted track of merchant vessels traversing north to south of the country. But the official pointed out that the Chinese ships still committed violations.
Yung pagdaan ng mga 3 barko ng PLA Navy is authorized under UN. Ang pagkakamali nila doon ay yung pagsagot nila sa mga challenge natin. Dapat binabanggit doon kung saan nanggaling, saan pupunta, identify yung barko kung sino sila. Ang sinagot lamang nila is that they are performing freedom of navigation and innocent passage.
Nonetheless, the AFP said that the presence of the PLA Navy vessels in our waters is not a cause for alarm.
The track of the PLA Navy ships.
Grabe. Performing freedom navigation. Pumapasok na sila dun sa dagat natin.
Is a generally accepted and utilized track of merchant vessels traversing north to south. So yung kanilang pagdaan, hindi nakakaalarma sapagkat parati namang may dumadaan doon. Ang importante, bawat may dumadaan na warship, anumang bansa ay binabantayan po ng Pilipinas.
We remain committed to safeguarding the nation's territorial waters, maintaining peace and stability in the region, and upholding national sovereignty.
So, yun po, no? Sinasabi nila freedom of navigation, pero dapat bago sila umentry doon, nagpapaalam sila, no? Papaalam sila sa atin dahil yun ay absolutely Philippine territory, di ba? Kung hindi pa sila babantayan doon, hindi sila magpapaalam, isang maliwanag na pang disrespekto sa bakuran natin, ano? Sa kanila gawin yan, di ba? Hinuhuli ka agad nila. So ito, ginagawa nila sa atin. No? Ginigipit nila tayo, unti-unti. No? Pinipikon. No? One day, darating ang time na talagang bibirahin na ito. No? At siguro, magkokos ito ng, sabihin natin, gera. Pero sa akin, rights natin yun. Kung birahin man o paputukan natin sila sa loob ng teritoryo natin. Dahil, yun nga po, wala silang paalam na ginagawa. At sobra na, no, dumidikit na sila sa kalupaan, no. Ito po ay paghamon, no. Gusto kasi nila tayo unang magpaputok, no. Pero yung ginagawa nila, act of war. Kumbaga pinipitsarahan ka na, kumbaga sa tao, pinipitsarahan ka na, no. Dinuduraan ka na. Ganyan po yan, no. Hindi ka masuntukin, pinipitsarahan ka na, dinuduraan ka na. Yan po ang ginagawa ng PLA, mga China, na sandatahan ng China sa atin, no? Na pagdi-disrespect. So, para sa akin, mas maganda itigil yan ng mga Chinese. Sapagkat hindi maglalaon ang mga Pilipino, mapipikot. Although napakahaba ng PC ng mga Pilipino sa mga ganyang bagay. No? Sabi nga natin, nung panahon ng mga Kastila, biro mo, nag-alsa tayo 200 years or 400 years pa nga. Bago nagkaroon ng pag-aalsa ang mga Pilipino. Sana hindi sa panahon na ito mangyari yung ganyan. Dahil talagang World War III ang kababagsakan niya. Kasi lahok dito ang mga higanting bansa. Isa na nga yun, sinasabi ko, China at Amerika. At mabuti na lang, sumisimpatya sa atin ang mga malalaking bansa sa European, mga European. Na hope so, pagdating ng mga ganitong kagipitan ay tutulungan tayo. So, ipanalangin natin na wala nang gera pa na magsimula sa atin. Kung meron man ay ilayo ang Pilipinas at maprotektahan ang Pilipinas dito sa posibleng gera na kasangkutan. Ito po ang Avoy Mix Videos. Hanggang sa muli.